September, the top 20 news are: DGCA has approved the drone certification scheme and has signed an MOU with Quality Council of India. Now, drones can be certified by third-party certification bodies approved by the Quality Council of India. QCI has already started the selection of certification bodies, and as per the latest public notice issued by DGCA, where they have said that DGCA won't be accepting any new application for provisional acceptance of RPAS model from now onwards, and have asked all the RPA manufacturers who desire to obtain certification for RPAS model may approach Quality Council of India. Further, they have asked all the manufacturers whose drones have been provincially accepted by DGCA to approach Quality Council of India for recertification. No more emails and paper trials. NIC has updated eSahaj portal for online security clearance for UIN, UAOP, red zones and aerial photography applications. All companies can now apply through eSahaj and take UIN, UAOP in the name of the company. No need for companies to apply in individual names anymore. Indian government is all set to place an order for 30 armed drones for nearly $3 billion USD from the United States, keeping an eye on China and Pakistan, in a deal that will be the first for the American firm General Atomics from the South Asian giant. IRDAI committee proposes drone insurance in line with aviation liability. A draft of the report of the working group for insurance of remotely piloted aircrafts is placed on IRDA's website as an exposure draft for the comments. The draft is open for comments till 5th of October. We request every drone enthusiast to go through it and send their views to IRDA. Giving reliefs to all the individual UIN owners, DGBCAS has issued the corrigendum on 7th of September 2020, where paras 3G and 3H has been amended. From now, individual UIN owners don't need MHA clearance for BCA security program approvals. Continuing its approval program for drone pilot training institutes, DGCA has provided new conditional exemption to Red Bart Flight Training Academy Private Limited regarding drone pilot training on September 2020. So now, India has 13 approved drone pilot training schools. Another small category drones named Trinity F90 Plus, having maximum takeoff weight of 4.9 kgs, got herself registered in the NPNT compliant drone family by Quantum Systems GmbH. So with this, we have a total number of 16 DGCA approved NPNT drones, 37 UINs and 21,597 DAN till date. On 17th of September 2020, conditional exemptions has been granted to Brahmaputra Board Jal Shakti Ministry for flood and erosion survey of the Majuli Island by using remotely piloted aircraft system. BSF is planning to procure 436 new drones and new anti-drone systems in a mission to undergo technical upgradation of its ground forces. The Indian Railways has procured Ninja drones for monitoring its asset and ensure safety for passengers. The Mumbai division of the Central Railway has recently procured 2 Ninja UAVs for better security and surveillance in the railway areas like station premises, railway track sections, yards and workshops. A Bangalore-based startup, New Space Research and Technologies Private Limited, is a part of the first Indo-US technology collaboration project in the aerospace sector and has planned to work with the US Air Force research labs to develop future air launch drones for the armed forces. India Force has launched a new drone named Rhino targeting the mapping industry. Initially, they have also bagged a tender from the Survey of India to supply 65 Rhino drones under the Swamitva scheme. Gurugram-based drone delivery startup Tech Eagle has partnered with Ethiopian e-commerce marketplace Addis Mercato to deliver healthcare products and essentials using drones in the African nations' urban and suburban areas. The partnership is the first commercial drone delivery service in Ethiopia, the company said. And the inaugural test flights are likely to be conducted within the next 3 months. In a significant step, ISRO has started the process of involving the private sector in space activities. They will allow the private entities to set up their own launch facility at the Sriharikoda that they can use for launching their spacecrafts or rockets. As per the reports, MOC and DGCA are planning to consider introducing remote ID RID systems for identification and tracking of drones as an addition to no permission, no takeoff NPNT for ease of operational and enhanced securities. A VLSI engineer cum drone developer named Divyanshu Harkha has developed the first ever indigenously developed made in India electronic speed controller for drones and UAVs. This can be considered as a stepping stone where with further support from the investors more of such industrial grade international standard EACs can be developed. While the Telangana government awaits the Director General of Civil Aviation DGCA's approval for using drones to deliver medicines as a part of the project in collaboration with the World Economic Forum WEF, it has now teamed up with the Public Health Foundation of India PHFI and Maru Drones for a similar project that would concentrate on the state alone. Now, talking about beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS drone pilot projects for deliveries, surveillance and more, where earlier DGCA granted permission to 20 such consortiums. Currently, all the members of the consortiums are undergoing regulatory security clearance, where few of them have already received security clearance and the trials are expected to be commenced in the coming weeks. Now, coming to some world drone news, the Federal Aviation Administration approved Amazon's Prime Air arm as an official air carrier, making a key milestone for Amazon's drone delivery initiative. The designation allows Amazon to bring commercial drone deliveries in US under a trial program that lets small delivery drones fly beyond visual line of sight. It's not clear where and when they will begin. On September 4, 2020, Parrot, the leading European drone group, announced its selection in the Blue SUAS program by the US Army and the Defense Innovation Unit DIU. The DIU is a Department of Defense organization that accelerates commercial technology for the US defense. That's all we have for this month. Hope you have liked our video. Do leave your feedback in the comment section box below and do not forget to subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel and share our video.